Welcome back, my YouTube family. Today I'm going to do a light after work routine that I do on Wednesdays. This is just my real light pickup so I can relax in the evening. T was home today, so he already did the dishwasher and all of the dishes that were in the sink. So I'm just basically wiping and cleaning up the kitchen. Relax and watch me clean. You guys are gonna see me clean the heck out of this little dog spatula. It took me forever to clean that. Ugh, the worst. So I keep on looking at the door because Choppy is barking. Piper just got home from having her hair cut. Isn't she adorable? She's so excited. So now I'm gonna get T's coffee ready for the next morning. I like to get it all set and then put on the timer for in the morning. So when he wakes up, it's all ready to go. Always has a huge French vanilla delight. That's his big one. And this is his conditioner. He likes to use Suave, the coconut one. so much more in the living room. Like I did the couch and the settee. I thought I was filming the whole time and I wasn't. So this is all we got of me straightening up and dusting the living room, you guys. I am so sorry. And remember guys, I'm only vacuuming. I'm not washing the floors or washing the bathroom. I do all that on Thursdays. This is just a quick after work routine.
I put a spell on you. Because you're mine. You better stop the things you do. I tell you, I ain't lying. You know I can't stand it. You're running around. You know better, Daddy. I can't stand it 'cause you put me down. Oh no, I put a spell on you. Because you're mine. Put a spell on you. Because you're mine. You know I can't stand it. You're running around.
So underneath my settee, I have these little wicker baskets. I have blankets folded up in there. So it's really easy. If you want another blanket, you just pull one out of the basket.
Because you're mine.
Those fingers in my hair, that sly come hither stare, that strips my conscience bare, it's witchcraft. And I've got no defense for it, the heat is too.
So at the bottom of my stairs, I have a dog water dish and a towel underneath. We gate off the upstairs at night, just because we don't want the dogs roaming through the house at night.
wicked witchcraft. And although I know it's strictly taboo, when you arouse the need in me, my heart says yes indeed in me. Proceed with what you're leading me to. It's such an ancient pitch, but one I wouldn't switch, 'cause there's no nicer.
So guess what, guys? It's time to make some popcorn. Make sure you get your bowl, your popcorn, in a nice, good, heavy-duty pot with a good lid. You're gonna put your oil in and your favorite popcorn in. Put your lid on real tight. Put your eye on high and just wait for it to pop. Make sure you stand real close by.
That crazy witchcraft. And although I know it's strictly taboo, when you arouse the need in me, my heart says yes indeed in me. Proceed with what you're leading me to. It's such an ancient pitch, but one that I'd never switch, 'cause there's no nicer witch than you.
Oh my goodness, I love the smell of fresh popped popcorn. Now I like to use Orville Redenbacher oil. I like a lot of oil, and I like to use this pink Himalayan salt. It's my favorite. I like a lot of oil, guys. Now I can just sit back and watch my American Horror Story tonight, you guys. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave me anything you want in the description box below. Until next time, ta-ta.